with Adam and Chito.
One, welcome to our first episode, right,
Yes,
Chito?
yes. Thank you so much for having me.
Actually, you're my co-host.
Wow,
Oh my
ako
God,
yung co-host.
Okay. So, we're
Yes.
we're really new fans of BL movie.
Yes.
So, at Thai BL movie, what is BL movie, Chito?
Yun lang. Ano yung BL movie, Adam?
Actually, BL movie means boys love. So, it's a normal, kung dito sa Pilipinas, teleserye siya ng, parang siyang teleserye ng mga network natin, doon din. Like yung GMM, yung Line TV, yung mga networks din nila, nag-o-offer ng ganyan na mga programs. And actually, it hit not only in Thailand, but rather international. Kasi I've been watching videos, yung mga BL actors, they have a lot of fans na nag-ship sa kanila. Okay, what is nag-ship? Parang nag-prepare, di ba?
Nag-prepare ng ano?
Nag-pair, which parang isi-ship tayong dalawa, di ba? Parang ganyan, nag-ship tayong dalawa. Parang couple
Ship ba yung nagluto?
Ship man, yung ganyan. Right,
So, when did you discover the BL fan? Kasi ako, bago pa lang ako, guys, 2 weeks ago pa lang ako because one of my friends suggested to watch this together, the series. And in all fairness, I have Thai friends, girl friends, who are watching also this series. So, it doesn't mean na dapat talagang maging bakla ka before you can watch this, no?
Yes.
Because when you support dogs, of course, hindi ka naman animal.
Alright, that's the point.
It's appreciating the creativity of the director and the story itself.
Actually, and it's some of the Thai movies are from the novels itself. So actually, one director, I remember after yung napanood ko na Lovesick, the director told us that there was one night that he was reading an article, online novel on Facebook, and then he was saying that it was that long, I think, and then as time goes, nababasa siya, he loves the story, and then that's the thing that he made it. Actually, that's really the first time that I've encountered a series which has, because usually mga series, diba, Chito has 12 episodes.
12 episodes.
15
episodes.
That one, when it has the Lovesick in 2014, the first season nila, I think they have 17 episodes. In 2015, Lovesick season 2 has 36 episodes.
Grabe, no? And of course, we can appreciate this movie because of the writers, and we would like to congratulate the writers because the writers and directors are not oftenly seen. No? Kasi yung mga artista lang, di ba?
Behind, di ba? Actually, the brainchild of it is the people behind the camera.
Correct. Especially the writers.
I do agree. Especially yung, you cannot do anything without these people, okay?
So, ilang BL movies na bang napanood mo dyan?
Actually, based sa yung my list na yung mga napapanood mo talaga, it has been 21 series na yung napapanood ko actually. 21, really? Kasi yung...
Grabe.
Pero the shortest series...
Is that during the whole quarantine period?
Yeah, since March. Because I became a fan pag March.
Okay. Ako late April na ako eh.
So, I became a fan kasi I've seen one of the stories of my friends, yung Best Wing na movie, series. Then po na-interested ako, what is this? Kasi actually, I'm not interested in series. I don't watch teleserye.
Ako rin, I hate series. Hello, series?
So, ganyan.
So,
and then,
was it the first movie that you watched?
Yeah, it was the first Thai BL series. And then,
did anyone influence you to watch BL? Or, like, kasi ako, someone influenced me to watch it.
No, wala sa akin. I've seen it and then I love it. And then what's different with me is that I won't cut the series. I want to watch it the whole.
Oh my God! You know what? I cut scenes na yun. Kasi parang unnecessary. I don't know sa inyo, I don't know. But for me, I cut.
Ako din, yung mga...
Sabi mo, hindi mo kayo makatas ganyan. Ito
I mean, I don't... Ang pang diretso yung pagpaan ko. Kasi yung iba,
You don't cut the whole series.
Parang I'm gonna
So,
watch it
for
straight.
example, yung 36 na episodes, 36 hours kang gising?
Hindi, gabi naman, pang hinahaf ko naman. Pero actually, hindi talaga 36 hours akong gising. Pang, it's like, kasi, I'm gonna cut yung mga scenes na pang hindi necessary. Everything is necessary, pero kasi, gusto ko yung ibang love teams kasi
may ibang love teams na fino-focus ng movie, so ni-skip mo yun.
So pang gusto ko yung bida lang talaga.
So, what was the first movie again?
It was Best Twin.
Oh my God, hindi ko pa yan napanood. So,
Ganda yan.
the first series that I watched, Together the series, Tarntine, and Sotos.
Actually. Maganda yung Sotos din. Maganda yung mga actor actually. And then, it's reality that some of my friends told me na it's reality na parang yung hindi pa talaga accepted kasi sa society yung mga gay, mga LGBT relationships dito. So, parang hindi pa siya accepted talaga sa mga countries, right? Especially, there are a lot of countries na hindi pa accepted talaga yung mga ganyang relationship. I mean, it's a lot of people knew already. Actually, kasi we see a lot of mga couples na ganyan. We don't discriminate kasi that's tao din sila.
Yeah.
But that's their feelings.
And I believe that respect begets respect. If some countries cannot accept that, we need to respect it. But they also need to respect the feelings of other people.
Yes.
Ganun naman. Because not all people are very showy naman.
That's why na pang yung mga gay relationship hindi showy talaga. Kasi it's about the discrimination. So, when we come back,
We will be talking about
the number one hit movie series in Thailand, which is
Together the Series. Magbabalik pa po ang Tonight with Adam and
Chito! Welcome back to
Tonight with Adam
and Chito.
Ayun. So, we will now focus sa trending every Friday sa YouTube, not only in the Philippines, in Malaysia, in Singapore, or shall we say in Asia, which is the Together
the series.
The series, yes. And it's so sad na, Adam, kasi nga, we only have 3 remaining episodes because today, as we shoot this episode, no, we will be watching, in few hours, we'll be watching the 11th episode.
Yes. And actually, they are been known kasi sobrang gwapo nga ni Win. Ni Win, teen in the movie, and si Bright, Sarawak in the series.
Check it out.
So, Sarawak has been part of pang mga support role lang siya. This is the first time that he's having as the main character. So, kasi na-wish din ako. Kasi noon, nag-support lang siya. Diba, he didn't expect na pang support actor lang siya, then he has his own movie. And sobrang, to the point na sobrang marami talagang viewers na.
Grabe.
Millions every episode.
Grabe. Like 19 hours ago pa lang na-upload yung episode, millions na, di ba?
Oo. So, let's get to know more about Bright and Win. Okay, so here's it. Win was born in
the hospital. Kailan siya na-born sa hospital?
Loading. He was born in December 27, 1997. On December 27, 1997, di ba?
So, ilang taon na siya ngayon?
He is
old enough. Gulang na siya, for sure.
Oh, correct.
He's
22 years old na, right? I'm right.
Yeah, you think? Yeah, you're right.
Okay, so he was born half Thailand and half
America.
Yes!
So,
O, diba?
siya.
May
Sawadee
lahi.
morning, gano'n.
Good morning, America! Sawadee ka! Ganyan.
Kaya pala yung bright
Oo.
ng skin niya is bright talaga.
Yeah, and then he is taking his program of engineering under the faculty sa ating college
College
of
department.
Oo. So, sa kanila faculty. So, tinatawag nila sa mga faculty nila college. Hello college teachers. Or college room. Just kidding, hindi namin alam.
But right now, he is taking up marketing. Sa ano bang school na
He's taking up marketing in
Bangkok
University.
University.
Yeah. Marketing.
Wait, you've been to Thailand.
Yeah, I've been to Thailand.
Ilang schools na visit mo doon?
Schools? Hindi ako nag-visit
Ay,
ng schools.
akala ko school.
Bar.
Pero how's the atmosphere daw?
Actually, pang nasa Pilipinas ka lang, and then pero it's weird kasi you cannot really understand their English.
Okay.
How they speak, may accent sila eh. Unlike sa Filipinos.
Pero Filipinos, we also have accent ba yan?
But when we
Yung taga Iloilo ka, good morning. Kung taga Secure ka, good morning.
But I mean, when we speak English, clear. So it's not about discriminating.
That's true. Because, Filipinos, we are very fond of imitating.
Yeah.
Diba? So that's why I love it.
Oh my God!
Ito boy and crazy pa.
Yes. Okay. So, we have also here, we have Meta Win. So, he was born in February 21, 1999. Oh, yung age gap nila. So, he's already 20 years old.
Wow, 20 to 22 years old.
Yes. So, ganyan. And then, actually, yung movie nila is also from a novel. And then, kasi actually, everything is usually, basta BL, more on schools, yung talaga nila, yung
Oo. And
estudyante.
if you notice, bago mag-change ng scene, it's either the name of the school or dormitory. Doon naman napansin. Pag-change scene, building, tapos change scene. Ano kung naano nyo, comment kayo pag napansin.
Na yung yung building, di ba?
Yun yung, pag-change scene nila.
Bakit no? That's I think sa teleserye natin dito sa Pilipinas na hindi ganyan.
Hindi ganyan.
May ibang kanyang directors. Kasi I do believe that everyone has its own unique creativity.
Correct.
Yung mga directors din natin. Oo. But there are some things that talagang made the Thai BL unique, right? From the other series. And actually they've been doing it for quite a long time already.
And si Derek, Wera Cheat.
Oo.
Parang Chito, Wera Cheat.
Oo.
In all fairness, grabe siya mag-twist ng movie.
Actually, nag-retake sila ng ibang scenes kasi in my own opinion, he didn't expect na talagang maraming mga fans yung talaga yung BL kasi they are already above of the other movies, diba? So maganda talaga, and then the director retake everything, diba? And then what I love about Thai in BL is that when they say 15 episodes, talagang 15 episodes lang, hindi talaga same ng ibang series na pang-extend kasi number 1, ganun. Diba? So,
pero I guess, if may reason talaga, then we can like tayo, first episode hanggang 3 episodes lang tayo kasi 11, 12, 13, diba? So, if you will demand, then we can extend.
Diba?
Actually, Adam is the director and the scriptwriter and everything.
Yes. Okay, so ganyan. And then, one thing also is that, I see their band behind the scenes.
Grabe.
If you are one of the crew, you will miss talaga. It's just a 1-hour series, but after all, they had take it for how many days? Weeks? Just ko no.
Remember our KMJS? 6 days.
Oo nga, my God, no, I remember yun. 6 days talaga. It was really long. The episode was just isa lang yung sa mga episodes. part ng episode which is just 6 minutes. So, parang hindi talaga easy.
It's not easy. Kahit ito pagtitake natin na to.
Oh, hindi easy talaga
We've
actually.
been here for 1 hour.
Actually.
Kasi ang rami namin cameras.
Oo. So, yan.
So, yan.
So, I also love yung sa time, yung si Golf at si Mio. At time pala. Si Golf at si Mio. Oo nga.
Naiinit siya pag ginagawa ko.
Oh my God, no. Pag nandito tayo sa camera, so wala nang hindi mag-inis. So, also them, maganda. Actually, they won the best, the most loved Bill couple bago lang, just with it.
Akala ko you just attended kasi ka rin.
Oo, pero walang flight, so hindi na ako nakapunta.
Okay, go.
Di ba ikaw yung mag-host din?
Oo, hindi. Sayang eh.
Oo nga. Pinarent ko na yung mga LED wall, LED.
Correct.
Oo.
Ikaw na lahat dun.
Sayang talaga.
So anyway, what do we expect?
Yeah, we will be expecting a lot amazing with this. So, with the episodes, di ba?
Sa last 3 episodes, parang nagugulan ako.
Oo,
Parang mas marami pang pwedeng mangyari.
I will the director, how will I make the fun?
You will be the director. If you are the director, let go lahat ng walang ano.
May confetti sa lahat.
Walang outside na taping. Lahat let wall.
Change din. LED wall, change din. Mag-open, close.
Tapos mag-up, down, up.
Totoo nga. Diba? So talaga, event directing and film directing is different. But I do really appreciate especially yung mga theater directors din, to appreciate that each director has its own unique capabilities. Because me, myself, I can't direct a theater also.
You can't?
I can't. Hindi ako makadirect ng theater. It's so hard for me to direct.
Like ako, when I host, I can't host yung mga parang serious.
Oo.
Mahirap, no?
No, di ba? Each of us has our own capabilities. So, ganyan. And then, so we'll be expecting an
That's
amazing
our expectation.
Oo.
So that is our expectation for the remaining episodes.
No.
Kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung ending kasi because director Huerachit, I really salute you.
Yeah, and then actually last trivia, they are airing the movie in GMM TV. Diba? GMM TV. Okay, and then it premiered in Thailand and aired on February 21, 2020. Diyos ko, no? March ako.
About April.
So kasi imagine yung ibang fans na nagpapanood sila since then. Oo.
And you can only watch their episode every Friday. Live stream sa YouTube.
Oo. And then they all have also it replayed pang pinost na
Premiere talaga.
Premiere. So that's what we're doing right now. We'll be watching it in premiere.
And of course, as we watch, we will include in this video our reaction sa mga highlights ng
video. Okay. So, shoutout muna ako kay Miss Tinagan.
Hello Miss
Doc
Tinagan.
Pasqua.
Dr. Richard Pasqua.
Hi po. And then lahat also ng mga BL fans din natin. So,
and of course, sa page, sa group natin, Team Sarawat.
Also, I would like to say hi to our friends, Mr. Duran.
Hello, sir. Honorable
Kenneth Paul C. Duran.
Correct. Thank you so much
for watching. Mr. Duran loves us, right?
Yes, correct. So that's all for tonight or for this episode.
Yes. See you next week in our next episode here at Tonight with
Adam
and Chito. Bye, Cocoon!